Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to add link to Threads profile. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to get the link of the account that we want to link in our Threads profile. So for example, our TikTok account, so we just have to click on our profile at the bottom right corner of our screen. Okay, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of our screen. Then click on settings and privacy. Then now click on the share profile option. Okay, so and then click on copy link. Okay, and then now let's go back to our Threads application. Okay, and then click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of our screen. Okay, and then click on edit profile. And then click on link or add link. Okay, so we'll just have to paste the link that we just copied from our TikTok application, and click on the check icon at the top right corner of our screen and then click on done. So right after that, the link will be visible under our profile. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can add a link to Threads profile. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.